Network segmentation is a critical security strategy that involves dividing a network into multiple segments or subnets, each acting as a separate network. This approach limits access to resources, making it more challenging for attackers to move laterally within the network and gain access to sensitive information. Why is network segmentation important? Network segmentation enhances security, improves network performance, and makes regulatory compliance easier. It acts as a barrier, preventing attackers from easily navigating an entire network if they gain access to one segment. Moreover, by isolating critical systems and sensitive data, organizations can apply more stringent security controls where they're most needed. How to implement network segmentation? Identify critical assets. Start by identifying which data, applications, and services are most critical to your organization. This will help determine how to structure your network segments. Define segmentation policies. Decide on the rules that will govern how traffic is allowed to flow between segments. This typically involves understanding the business needs and how different departments interact with each other and the data they need access to. Use VLANs and subnetting. Virtual local area networks, VLANs, and subnetting are common technologies used for network segmentation. VLANs can segment network traffic without requiring separate physical networks, while subnetting divides the network into smaller, manageable parts. Implement access controls. Use access control lists, ACLs, and firewalls to enforce the segmentation policies, ensuring that only authorized users and systems can access certain network segments. Continuous monitoring and testing. Regularly monitor network traffic and test the segmentation rules to ensure they are effectively isolating network segments and protecting against unauthorized access. Firewalls are foundational to any network security strategy, acting as the first line of defense by controlling incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. The evolution of firewalls. Originally, firewalls were simple devices focused on packet filtering, examining the header of packets to decide whether to allow or block them based on the source and destination IP addresses, ports, and protocols. As cyber threats evolved, so did firewalls, leading to the development of more sophisticated types such as stateful inspection firewalls, application layer firewalls, and next-generation firewalls, NGFW. Types of firewalls. Packet filtering firewalls. These are the most basic form of firewalls that make decisions based on individual packets. They're fast but lack the ability to make decisions based on the state or context of traffic. Stateful inspection firewalls. These firewalls track the state of active connections and make decisions based on the context of the traffic, offering better security without significantly impacting performance. Application layer firewalls, also known as proxy firewalls, they inspect traffic at the application layer to identify and block traffic that attempts to exploit vulnerabilities in specific applications. Next-generation firewalls, NGFW. NGFWs combine the capabilities of traditional firewalls with additional features like application awareness, integrated intrusion prevention, and cloud-delivered threat intelligence. They offer comprehensive protection against a wide range of cyber threats. Choosing the right firewall. Selecting the right type of firewall depends on several factors, including the specific security needs of the organization, the size and complexity of the network, and the level of traffic. For many organizations, a combination of different types of firewalls is often the best approach, providing both broad and deep protection. Conclusion. Understanding network segmentation and firewalls is essential for securing internal networks. Network segmentation helps in isolating critical assets and limiting the spread of attacks within a network, while firewalls serve as the first line of defense against external threats. Together, they form a critical part of a layered security strategy that helps protect sensitive information and ensure the integrity of an organization's data and systems. As cyber threats continue to evolve, so must the strategies and technologies used to combat them. Staying informed about the latest trends in cybersecurity and continually assessing and updating security measures is crucial for maintaining robust protection against the ever-changing landscape of cyber threats.